Hello everyone. So if you want to change the language in the Google Maps on your Android or on your iOS system, this method is universal. Here's how to do that. So first of all, make sure to open up your Google Maps, and unluckily you cannot change it directly. However, we can do some adjustments which will kind of work while you are navigating with the car, for example. So tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Make sure that this is the right account, because the settings, they do save only with the current account. And press settings. Now we gotta press navigation. So first of all, let's unmute our voice if it's muted. So press unmute it now. When you're gonna drive, when you're gonna have some navigations, your phone will talk to you, and set it on softer, normal, or louder. So how do we change the language? Choose the voice selection, and here you are simply to choose the desired language. For example, let it be Spanish. There it is. Make sure to set it play over Bluetooth so you'll hear it in your headphones. Play voice during phone calls so you won't get lost, and play audio cues. Now let's press play test sound.
Tu destino estará a la derecha.
That's how it will sound. And if we're gonna try and navigate to somewhere, let's navigate to somewhere. For example, here, press directions and press start. Press got it, dismiss.
Dirígete hacia el sur. Y, después, gira a la derecha.
As you see, it speaks in Spanish. So basically, that's it. And I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.